Want to grow your email list or attract more clients using Facebook? In this video, I'll show you exactly how to create a lead magnet on Facebook. Whether you are offering a free guide, checklist or mini course, this is a powerful way to bring people into your world. Let's go. First, let's get clear on what you are offering. A lead magnet is something valuable and free that you give in exchange for someone's email address. Some great example: a downloadable checklist or PDF, a short video tutorial, a free mini course, a discount code or coupon, and exclusive webinar. Keep it simple, quick to consume, and relevant to what you offer. Next, you need a place to collect leads. You can use platforms like MailChimp, CopperKit, MailerLite, Leadpages, or even a simple Google form. Make sure your form includes a short description of to your offer, an email field, a clear call to action. Once it's ready, copy the link to your form of landing page. Now it's time to promote your lead magnet on Facebook. You've got two options: organic post, great for sharing in your own feed, Facebook groups or business page, and Facebook ad, perfect for reaching cold traffic and growing fast. Let's talk about the content. Here's simple formula for your caption: grab attention, tell them what they will get, and add your opt-in link. Use a clean, eye-catching image or video that matches your lead magnet. Want to keep everything inside Facebook without needing a landing page? Use a Facebook lead ad. Here's how. Go to Meta Ads Manager, create campaign, choose lead generation as your objective, set your audience budget and placements. Under insert form, create a form with headline, short description, email field, privacy policy link, thank you message plus optional redacted with freebie. This is perfect for mobile users and makes it super easy to collect leads. Once leads start to coming in, make sure to email them the freebie right away. Welcome them with a short email sequence. Stay consistent with helpful content so they stay engaged. This builds trust and moves them closer to becoming customer or client. And that's how you create a lead magnet on Facebook. If you got value from this video, hit that like button and subscribe for more marketing tips and tools.